Hi everyone, in today's videos we're gonna watch the Twitter company and follow information. It's not considered as investment advice, just gonna show you how I pick up the stocks to my portfolio, and let's have a closer look to this company. So I use simply Wall Street as usually, and start with the market cap. It's quite big, and other things I watch in rewards and risk analyze. So the forecast growth is actually high, but there's also risk of high volatility and significant inside selling over the past 3 months. Um, the other thing I watch the yearly return, so it's outbidding the US market. And also I look at this chart, so how it's outperformed the market and the industry. So as you can see, the 5 years it's not beating the industry, but its price volatility is lower than the industry. The valuation is considered 53% overvaluated. That's considered as a high overvaluation, so I think the price might go down to some of the fair values that is you can notice it here. And yeah, future growth has forecast 65%. That's what investors are interested in, so that's a good news. EPS, earnings per share, is forecasted to grow. That's also good. The other thing that I watch is the financial health. So is there a lot of debt? So there's equity is covering the debt, so that's a good sign. The balance sheet, and you can see that it's a good company from the balance sheet, but it's not paying dividend, and that's a little concern for some investors. And other things that I will look is the insider trading volumes. So in the past 9 months there was insider was selling the stocks, not quite a significant amount of numbers, but anyway they're selling. That's not a good sign, I think. And the top shareholders is pretty much the same. Here's the minus 54%. That are the top shareholders. So the other side I use simplydividends.com. Here I see usually the shares outstanding, so it's raised. The emissions is quite a bit. Was here pretty much last year. The company buy back some of the shares. That's a good news, but over the past it's only growing, so that's not a good like for me as an investor. Total sales is growing, that's a good sign. Free cash flow per share is on the positive side, and earnings per share last 12 months it was not so well, minus $0.84. That's not a good. And the investing column is summarizes this as a strong buy in a month. So in long investing is considered as buy, but in weekly and daily, actually daily is a strong sell, but weekly is a buy. So yeah, I will consider the stock is too risky for me, at least. And you can write down below to the comment section which stock you prefer me to watch, and you can subscribe to the channel. I usually pick one of the stocks and do the research and show you guys how I pick the stocks to my portfolio. And also like the video if you like it, and see you in the future videos.